e-commerce like over 8 years.
Here behind the scenes at Shadow Factory is a VR agency in Hong Kong. It's exciting stuff happening, and today we're going to do some interviews with behind the scenes with the team members and what projects they've been working on to show people the amazing abilities that this agency has. Alright, thank you everybody. We are here behind the scenes Shadow Factory series, and we have with us Echo. Thanks for being here on the show.
No problem. I'm a production artist, though I do a little bit of development as well.
Nice.
Right? And so essentially I would do things right from the beginning in terms of like pre-visionary concept art, all the way up to the actual delivery of the experience.
So today we're talking about the Michael Kors project, MK. Of course, people probably must have heard of Michael Kors, but do you want to explain about this project?
Okay, sure. DFS hired us on behalf of Michael Kors to be able to create some kind of a VR experience for them, and they decided on their own that they wanted a game to be made. Except what kind of game specifically they did not know. But they did want to have the game play during some kind of a promotion that they were having for their new line of bags. We eventually ended with two ideas, one of them being the bag catching game, and the other one being the scavenger hunt. Obviously we thought about what limitations we had in terms of space, what kind of venue would it be. So with that in mind, we decided to go back and forth with the client a little bit, trying to work out how exactly we were going to fit everything within the space. Were you able to move around the area? Were you not able to move around the area? It was about 2 by 2 meters, I think, was our limitation. And then we eventually came up with a bag catching game where you were standing inside a car, and instead of anything else moving, it was you moving forward and catching the bags while you're going down the street, and the other one was you were kind of looking around you to try to spot the bags within the environment. I think they mentioned that it was something to do with like bright fluorescent colors meets acid trip. Or something, if I can say that.
I think that's cool.
You see, we here, we don't know what acid trips are like, so we had to go field stuff. No, I'm kidding. This was extremely difficult because I'm not going to say exactly how much time we had, but it was not long at all. They set it up so that obviously, as you were approaching the Michael Kors store, they would ask you, hey, do you want to come and try this experience out? It's VR, you should try it out. And people would ask, oh, what has VR got to do with Michael Kors and stuff? And they're like, oh, we're just, trying out new things and trying to experiment with this whole idea of the jungle. And we wanted you to really experience what it was like to be like New York City jungle time. It would be amazing. And people got really like lit up by that. So it was very interesting.
Right.
Maybe it sounds a bit crazy or a bit out there, but I think that this 360 videos and AR and VR can be, it's becoming more accessible for users, for consumers to view, and also I think for other people to use. I think it's a really great way to engage people and get people excited about their products and help them maybe see their product or business a bit differently. There is a lot that goes into it, but it's not so crazy out there that it can't really be applied to anything.
Yeah, it can be used for all kinds of industries. So here with our agency, Shadow Factory, we work with like a lot of Hollywood, and we're working with other agencies that don't have VR experience, and we've worked in like fashion, and we've done different like travel agency, travel kind of companies. So there's ways to apply it for all kinds of industries, and I think the team here would love to work with anybody watching, and shadowfactory.io is our website. And thanks again, Lindsay, for sharing. I know we got so many projects now, you're so busy.
Yeah, for sure. Well, thank you.
Great. Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and also check out our Instagram at Global from Asia. Thanks again and see you soon.